Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Thank you for stopping by today. I really do appreciate your time and support on the channel. It means the absolute world. So today, I actually tried filming this video when my memory card had broken and I tried doing it on the iPad. There just wasn't enough light and I didn't like the footage, so I completely scrapped it. So I pulled in a couple of liquids when I did my Shop My Stash for eyeshadow palettes like 2 weeks ago. I think it's 2 weeks ago, Virgin on 3 weeks, I'm not 100% sure. But yeah, I got this one. This is the newest of the two, and we've also got Natasha Denona's Scarab, and I've actually done a video on the testing Natasha Denona Scarab, but I still want to show you what it looks like. So I think I will do a look with that maybe tomorrow. So yeah, this is what we're going to be using today. So this one is the Ciate Shadow Flip in Peacock. So I think we're going to just put this on first. Actually, no, we're not. We're going to put the white shade, the white chocolate shade, all over my lids first. Just very gently. Right. And then we're going to put this on. Now when I used it, I really did like the way it looked. My main issue with this is you're barely getting any product. It's like with the Glossier Boy Brow, you're just barely getting any product. In this, you're only getting 1.2 mil. I think in the Natasha Denona one is double. Yeah, I'm almost sure it's double you're getting. So you do get more for the money in the Natasha Denona one, but it is it's like £8 more. But it depends if you want to spend that. And the Natasha Denona ones don't have a colour like that. So that's what it's looking like on the wand. So it's this amazing green colour, and then it's got this like kind of blue to purple shift. I'm hoping you're going to see it more when it's actually on the eyes. Let's zoom in. So yeah, we're going to pop this on first. And I normally have to do a couple of layers. Oh, this better not be drying up. I've only used it once. I think I'm going to have to get in contact with Look Fantastic, because I think it says you can keep it for 6 months and I've not even had it 6 weeks. And I know these eventually do dry up, but come on, that's taking the mick a bit. I don't know what's happened with this at all, but it is super pretty, isn't it? Right, let's wait for them to dry down. Right, so I've just checked it, and on here it does say 6 months, and I'll have to check when I ordered it, but it certainly wasn't 6 months ago. I've just hauled it, in fact. It's a real shame because it is a really pretty colour. I mean, it's looking more pigmented now, but it's just looking really dry when I put it on. And I just don't think I want to pay £16 for something like this. Let's do a swatch on my hand. Yeah, look at it. Right, so I'll get in contact with Look Fantastic about that. But I do want to use the Too Faced Salted Caramel just in the crease. I can't believe that. So I'm going to go in with this Real Techniques 305 brush. They're probably going to be zero help at all. look fantastic. I always have problems with them when I need to send something back. I'm hoping they'll just send me a new one out or give me a refund. I mean, it's a pretty shade, but is the other one going to do exactly the same thing? Probably will, so I don't know if I want to order it again now. Last time I used it, a couple of weeks ago, no, it wasn't even a couple of weeks ago, it was about a week ago, I didn't have any problems with it. On this side, because it's so darn dry, it's gone patchy. It was only supposed to be a simple look with this as a focus, and for me to say do I recommend it or not at this point, no, because it's so dry. Do you want to have a swatch? I mean, that's what it looks like. Can you see? You can't even see that it's blue, but it's a blue to a green shift. Real pretty. It does remind me of a peacock. So yeah, you can see the green here, and then it shifts blue. I mean, that kind of swatch is okay. It's okay, but it does feel extremely patchy and like it's drying up, and I don't really want to keep it around the collection and pay for it if it's drying up already. What do you guys think? What would you do? I feel like I know what most of the people would do who I speak to regular, but I just like your opinions, and I've kind of I think I'm just going to do it as like the Ciate Shadow Flip as the main focal point, like I said, and I've just put salted caramel in the crease. That's looking pretty. And then I think I'm going to use my cream eyeliner from Essence. I've not used that in a while, just to brighten the eye area up. Right, I'm not going to tie line, I'm just going to put the Essence I Love Extreme Crazy Volume Mascara on. I mean, you can't deny it's not pretty. The fact that it's drying up after, let's just go and get my phone and I'll tell you. Right guys, so I've just checked, so it's here. So I got it on the 12th of April. It says estimated delivery 11th to the 12th, and they normally deliver before, they say, so I would say 11th of April. I've just checked, it's 3 weeks. I've had it for 3 weeks, guys. That is just ridiculous how it's drying up so much in 3 weeks. So yeah, I think I'm going to contact them and see what Look Fantastic say. It's £18, it's not like it's peanuts. So yeah, I'm going to see what they say and hopefully be reimbursed for it. I don't necessarily want a new one, even though I love it. I love the colour and I love the colour flip on it. If it's drying up after 3 weeks once it's been opened, then there's a problem somewhere. I mean, the Steeler ones dry up fast, but I believe you do get a year out of them. So yeah, I'm gonna be contacting them. Watch this space. I really don't like getting into it with Look Fantastic because their customer services just aren't helpful. But yeah, watch this space. I'll contact them tomorrow because it is, I think, 6:30 now. Yeah, it's 6:30 now, so no one's going to be there anyway. So yeah, I'll contact them tomorrow and they'll probably want to see a swatch of just how dry it is. But yeah, I mean, it's looking quite good on the eyes, but I'm just thinking if I don't use it for a few more weeks, it's probably going to get to the point where I'm just not going to be able to use it at all. And you're supposed to be able to use it for 6 months. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing. I'm going to be grabbing a lipstick now, and this is the finished look. I think I'm going to use this. So this is the Maybelline Superstay Ink Crayon in 45 Hustle in Heels. So yeah, let's pop a bit of this on. Probably a bit too vibrant with this look. Oh, it really does look nice though with that green eye look. So guys, let's zoom out. So guys, this is the finished look. Let me know your thoughts down below. Let me know what you would do in my situation. Like I said, I think I know what the majority of people would do, especially as now we know I only received it 3 weeks ago. I don't feel like I'm going to keep it in my collection. I don't feel like the right thing would be not to say anything. I just don't like complaining. This is now the 3rd complaint I've had to make to Look Fantastic, and in fairness, it's not Look Fantastic's fault, it's the product itself. So yeah, I'm going to contact them. Hopefully I'll have good customer service. In fairness, the 2nd complaint I made to Look Fantastic about the Becca set I got, I'll just show you that. Right, so I ordered this. I ordered it twice. Well, I didn't order it twice, but I ordered it and it came to me in a right state. I have done a video on it. It will be somewhere on the channel. I'll try and find it if I can. This one came like open like that, but was in so much better condition. It's still got the tissue paper in, so even the tissue paper looks better than it did when I actually got my first one. So what they said to me originally, they said they'll send out the products that I'm not happy with. So basically that was, I'll show you, it was this one. Yeah, it was this Becca, whoops. Right, let's just take the tissue away. So it was this Becca Ignite highlighter. There was loads like just over the cap, and I just think that is the way it's meant to be. I mean, this one's not as bad, but it doesn't have that silver foil on, and I was panicking about it, saying, oh, it doesn't have the silver foil on it and there's loads in the cap. It's like it's been used. I don't know what happened. I don't know if someone had looked into what the package was, but it did look like that, so that's why I complained about it. So you get that in the set. You also get the Becca Backlight Priming Filter, which I'm glad about, which I'm glad I've got a backup of, because I really do like it. This one does have silver foil on it, so you're getting that, and then you're getting this lipstick, which I absolutely love. So these products are meant to be some of their best selling products. So it's just a sample size. Well, I say a sample size. This is a lipstick that's going to last me a long time. So it's the Becca Ultimate Lipstick Love Rouge in the shade Orchid. I mean, look at how pretty that is. You're not getting a lot, but I feel like that would take me a very long time to get through it. But what I'm saying is, when I complained the 2nd time about that set, someone was saying you can send it back like they did the previous time with the Natasha Denona Glam palette, and I'm like, I don't have anything to send it back. You didn't send me any paperwork. So they were making it extremely difficult. And then I got another advisor who was lovely. She said, well, what we'll do, we'll just send you the products out. And I said, they came in a set. And he said, no, we'll just send you the set out again. So obviously I've got the older products. Now I know that obviously this comes like this, no one has used it, and I also sanitised it as well. I found out there was a way to sanitise liquids, so I did that. So I have got both sets. So yeah, as long as they do something like that for me as a customer. I mean, I've spent so much this past month with Look Fantastic, you know, they should do something. I mean, obviously if they do nothing, I'll say to them I'm not going to shop with them anymore, which I did last time, and I feel like they actually listened to me last time as well. So yeah, I'm hoping I will get someone that's good at their job. So yeah, this concludes the video, guys. I just need to pop that back in the drawer. Yeah, this concludes the video, guys. So this is the overall look once again. Really like it. If you're not already subscribed, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and become part of our crazy little fam. Please hit the notifications bell as well. It really does help out the channel. Share and comment, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.